I love this silver birch, but I'd love to see it just looking all gleaming and white the way they do in those great professional gardens. So I'm going to go and talk to Lucy Adams, who's the head gardener at Doddington Place, to ask her how they get their birch trees looking so gorgeously white, and is it something that I can do with my birch tree, or do you have to have a particular kind of birch? It's Alexandra here from the Middlesized Garden, bringing you tips, ideas and inspiration so that you can enjoy your garden more.
Right, I'm Lucy Adams and I'm head gardener at Doddington Place. Most silver birches, you can wash them, yeah. And what we tend to do is we do it in February. It's because it's a good job to do when there's not much else, to be done. Warm water with a tiny bit of fairy liquid in there, but it's quite a firm sponge, and to take out a brush as well.
When I started talking about washing my silver birches, friends rolled their eyes. But all those beautiful show gardens always have amazingly white silver birches, so I fancy a bit of that Chelsea or Hampton Court magic on my silver birches too. Now, you can wash your trees at any time of year, but Lucy advises you not to do it more than once, or maybe at the very most twice. And here they are, my silver birch trees before being washed. I got a large firm sponge, a soft brush and a bowl of water with a little washing up liquid in it. I washed the bark and then peeled it off, although you can peel flaking bark off a silver birch at any time. I found once I was starting to sponge, the green algae came off really quickly and easily, and I didn't even need to use the brush. It's quite quick. I did our 3 silver birches in under half an hour, and they definitely sparkle more. And it is quite a wet job. If you're washing a tree and reaching up over your head with a wet sponge, you will get rather wet sleeves. Some professional gardeners use power washers, which presumably avoids the wet sleeves issue, but don't use too much pressure. I do think my silver birches look much more dramatic now they're gleaming white. So if you have a silver birch in your garden, do give it a go. And subscribe to the Middlesized Garden for more gardening tips, visits to private gardens you wouldn't otherwise see, and expert interviews. And please let me know if there's a gardening job you'd like me to ask an expert about. Thank you.